Welcome to 45 Mill Street at Rosewood. We're in a lovely character home on a 1,021 square metre block and fully fenced shared driveway, but really private and very close to town. We'll take a look around. This is our main living area. So air conditioned and ceiling fan on entry, VJ walls and ceiling, so it's really loads of character. Wood heater there in the corner as well. So we'll just start here at our third bedroom. This one actually has its own entry from outside, so it is quite private. It's probably originally been a veranda, but we're using it as a bedroom. It's quite a big room. Security screens as well. From here to our master bedroom, air conditioned. And it does have the lovely French doors that lead into that third bedroom, so perfect if you've got a toddler. All carpeted throughout. Second bedroom here on the end as well, so you've got good security screens, heaps of light there, and carpeted through there as well. So these all bedrooms open out into this big living area. And from here, you're accessing your kitchen dining room. So it is also quite a big room, vinyl floors in here, ceiling fan as well, lovely coloured glass windows in here, timber frame, and sliding glass doors into our living area. Entry to the bathroom is here from the kitchen area, and that also includes your little laundry space. The front of the home is here, carport on the side, concreted driveway, loads of space to add a shed or even potentially a granny flat. So there it is. It's really very private, and we can get you through for an inspection and see for yourself.